The manual processing of documents has become a serious challenge in various industries. Companies on a daily deal with a lot of documents in a variety of formats and types. The ever-increasing nature of the types of files increases load and manpower required, leaving companies with a need for consistent data extraction methods with minimal effort. There is a need for an intelligent solution to address this issue, and we have an AI ML-driven platform powered by natural language understanding, which is just the need of the hour. TextOps is an intelligent document data extraction tool, which is based on a SaaS approach to extract data using OCR and natural language understanding. The tool can be used to automate data extraction as well as to automate document classification for splitting documents that come in merged into your company. This AI-guided data entry leaves no room for human-prone error. It is not labor-intensive, and it even eliminates the requirement of slow data entry tasks. The tool can be integrated quickly with your downstream systems, and this gives you the opportunity to free up your team's time to just review and perform higher value tasks. It is extremely easy to use because it is pre-trained on the common documents used in various industries like logistics, healthcare, banking, and retail. The best part is the tool gets better over time because of the self-learning models, which ensure improvement over time, and they're even able to handle document changes with time. Using TextOps, you have higher accuracy of data up to 90%. There is a faster data processing of up to 10,000 of pages per minute parallelly, and you can save costs of up to 70% for data extraction. The industries in focus and the various use cases that we are focusing on right now are banking, insurance, logistics, healthcare, retail, and even back offices. The various documents used and processed by these organizations comprise of deposit slips, credit reports, proposal forms, bills of lading, delivery order invoices, inventory forms, purchase orders, etc. In this demo, we will walk you through 3 types of inputs that will go into the tool, which are electronically generated PDFs, electronically generated scanned PDFs, and even handwritten scanned PDFs. Before that, let me take you to the tool, look and feel of how the tool looks. So at the home page, you have various statistics of the count of documents, the documents reviewed by TextOps, how many have gone for human review, etc. And you see the various documents that have been processed for the day. Now, the tool has 2 types of logins. One is an admin login, and the other is a user login. I am currently logged in as an admin, wherein we have 3 options, one for configuration, user management, as well as billing. Configuration is where you deal with your document type configuration and where you can enter and specify the document identifier. So you're getting a lot of documents on a daily. And for example, we take, say, a bill of lading. So some of the bills come in explicitly named bill of lading. Some have B/L or B/L. Some are just bill lading or bill lat. So according to the specific document that you use, you can easily edit this. And I'm just giving it a B/LAD abbreviation, and you can save this. And now the tool will easily recognize your document and identify it. You can even view the various key values that are present inside the bill of lading. So for example, you have a key called agent. Some documents have it as agent, some documents have it as forwarding agent, references, FMC number, etc. And now the tool will be able to pick up any of those values despite the name of the fields because it has already been configured in the admin configuration. You also have the user management option wherein you can give access and privileges to various members of your organization. There are 3 types of access roles. One, we have the master, admin, and user roles. The user can obviously only use the tool for extraction or splitting, while the admin and master have advanced privileges. Now in the billing tab, the billing and storage calculates how much you have used the app over the over the past month. You have the cost incurred for the month, how much you have stored during that month, the number of documents uploaded that month, and the number of documents uploaded in that particular day. Now this limit can obviously be customized according to your requirement. To walk you through today's demo, we are expecting to see an extraction of tables, key values that are coming from the forms, and even information from handwritten bills and information from images as well. So how the app works is that you have a document that you give in an input. If it is a merged document, it will first be split into pages, and then there will be an individual output for each page in a CSV, JSON, or JSON format. Here we have our first example, which is actually a quote. So if you can see, this is a statement from it's a quote from C Import Admiral Group. And just to show you a couple of fields at random taken. So here we have a port of discharge, which has been filled in on the right side, which has been extracted. On the left, we see a shipper name, and it has been extracted on the right as well, United Marine Products. Over here, we also have a carrier name that has been populated on the right over here. So this is just one example of a couple of fields that have been taken from a scanned PDF. So as you can see, the page has been cut off towards the left, and that is why we have towards the right some of the words missing, some of the alphabets missing. We have a P missing here, we have a P missing here, and that is how accurately the tool extracts the characters. In our second example, we have a tax invoice. This is an electronically generated PDF, which is quite straightforward. And here, taking a couple of fields at random, we have a name of the organization here. And we also have the invoice print date that has been captured. We also have the total invoice value in words that has been populated towards the right as an outcome. In our third example, we have a handwritten note. A bill, and it has been extracted according to what has been given in the input. We have a serial number, the particulars, quantity, rates, amounts, and what has been written as well. The export load container moved from SATFA to CFS. So as you can see, all the information has been extracted with 100% accuracy. And that is how the TextOps tool works. To show you a more hands-on approach, let me just show you a quick demo of uploading a document where you can see it live. So I'm going to upload one of the sample documents that we received. I'm going to click on this one. And now we are uploading that document, and it shows you the progress. And here we get a notification that the document has been uploaded successfully. So you go ahead and click on Doc Extract and click on Reports. This is where you can see whether your document has been processed successfully. So you go ahead and select the start date and the end date of when you have processed your document, and you submit. And this will bring up all the documents that have been processed that day. So this is the document that I have just uploaded. So we can see that the status from TextOps is processed. Now we go to our home page where we can go ahead and download the output of the file that we have just uploaded. So we see here our document that has been processed. So we click on Processed File, and that downloads our output in a zipped folder. So the document contains both tables as well as other data which are not in tables, and the tables will be extracted into a different Excel sheet, while the rest of the data will be extracted separately. So here we have the extracted data, where you can see all of the information. Just for clarification, we can go ahead and compare the documents. So to the right, we see the document that was uploaded, which is a handwritten bill. And here we have the date 5/04/2022. And here on the left, we can see in the Excel sheet that this has been extracted accurately. We also have the various fields like order number, date, transport, LR number, all of which has been extracted. We also have the person's signature, the authorized signature, which has been captured by the tool. So you can see how accurately the tool immediately picks up data and extracts it seamlessly. Let's take a look at the table extraction. Here we have the order number, the date, transport, LR number, parties, GST number, the amount, all of which have been captured from this table here. And we also have the particulars, quantity, rate, export, load container, all of that has been captured from this document. So apart from that, we can also customize your output. So this here on the left is a raw input of a document, and this is how TextOps extracts that particular data. But if you want your data to be a little bit customized and organized, we do have an option to customize your output, which will obviously come at a charge. So this is basically how TextOps works. You have different types of document formats that could be entered into the tool. You have PDFs, scanned images, Word documents, or even data from emails, which go into pre-processing when you upload it into the tool. And if any fields are not extracted accurately, if the confidence score is a little lesser than what is expected, this will flag as an exception and will be sent for human review. So human review will happen, and once that error is identified and corrected, the documents will be processed and the documents will be extracted into outputs in Excel, CSV, REST API, or JSON formats. Can be easily integrated with your downstream systems or to save to your data lake for analytics. So what are the benefits of using TextOps? It is a SaaS-based solution, so it works everywhere. You don't have to worry about the hardware involved. It can easily detect printed text, handwriting, as you have seen in the demo, and even numbers in a scan or rendering of a document. You have out-of-the-box support for multiple document types like invoices, purchase orders, inventory forms, and much more. Added to this, you have multiple languages supported like English, Spanish, German, Italian, French, and Portuguese. The tool is also secured with a single sign-on, which you can integrate with your corporate IDP. The parallel document processing scales up to 10,000 of documents at the same time. And obviously, the cost is optimized for you specific to your organization with the dynamic pricing. The tool also has a reporting option, which has operational metrics and performance summaries that you can use for your company. Thank you.